Hey.
Hey, yeah. Hey.
Yeah.
Let me get my swerve on real quick. Listen.
It's the perfect time and place
Perfect time to play.
for us to celebrate, So baby, we gon' celebrate. Pour up a little taste, Now go and hold your glass up, light another match up. Won't let this moment pass us, no way, 'cause it's the perfect time and place.
A bonus footage, we're about to see what kind of tea pairs well with Uncle Nearest whiskey. So you may be drinking your tea at home saying, only if it could have a little bit of an alcoholic spike. The same way if you're drinking coffee, you got a Bailey's. We're about to see how you can spike your tea using a black-owned whiskey.
Well, that's really easy. Honestly, you talk about whiskey, the first thing that comes to mind for me is the tea that you're actually drinking, which is the Georgia Peach. It's just something about the ginger cloves inside the Georgia Peach that complement the whiskey. Uncle Nearest, we actually have a few bottles of this inside the home, so I can tell off personal experience that this Uncle Nearest with some Georgia Peaches definitely goes hand in hand.
All right, let's try this out. So here we got this Georgia Peach, and then Georgia Peach, we're gonna add a little bit of Uncle Nearest. This is the 1856 premium batch. So we're gonna add this in here, a little bit shot, shot of it.
Please drink responsibly.
Gotta always throw that in there. Just swirl it around a little bit, mix it up, and let's see. Damn, that is good. Shit. Yeah, so if you want to get off of Bailey's and coffee and support a black-owned brand, definitely come and check out Uncle Nearest and also check out Just Add Honey on their website.
Love.
Pour up a little taste, Now go and